Hello, hello. Okay, so I hope you can hear me. Uh, okay, so talking about today's performance again. So I can't see the chat. Chat is disabled. I don't know why chat is disabled for this live stream. Just a second. So you can see the screen. I don't know why chat is disabled for this live stream. So just let me check the settings of the live stream. Yeah, I don't know why the chat is disabled. Okay, I think the chat is now enabled. Let me just check it. Okay, can anyone just comment and see if chat is... I think now the chat box is working. I can't see it here, so I have another screen. So yes, you can still ask. Yeah, so coming down to today, today's performance. So at the very start, like in the morning, I posted this video. Okay, so like here we showed that right at the end at last day. So there were some call writers that were present. Okay, and also we have drawn these two levels. Like according to the HFT that like marked this one, like the 100 CR of put writing. So we marked this level, and then at the end these call writers were present, and so we marked that level, and that worked like a, I mean, nice level. I mean, those worked like very beautifully. Like if you can see that it went up, and now we are like going one by one with the like candles, what HFT did, and so on, like those things. And let me also show you. So yes, so this video was only 3 minutes 55 seconds. Okay, so I made it very short, and I clearly mentioned that I will be looking for sell on rise opportunity. That is, I'll be looking for sell opportunities. Okay, so yeah, hi Anand, hi. So Okay, so then like as you saw, like it worked like very nicely. Like here, let's expand in the case of, yeah, in the case of Nifty. So even I like this was one of the highest call writing today, 55.7 CR at right at 9:24 AM. And right after that you can see, like right after that, like red candles have started. Okay, so the thing is that this is like catching reversals from exact top. Okay, so now it's not like after it has fallen and then it's showing that yes, now we are not showing red candle, so it's before the fall. Okay, so again like here also someone shorted and there some put writers happened, but again here also someone shorted, it fell, and here as well. But again the as you can even see the length, so this one was another major one at 10:15 a.m. 41.3 CR, and again that was almost at the top, and again it was a straight fall. Okay, and so on and so forth. Like even here some put writing happened, 21.7 CR, so some up move came in, and again while it went up, so that level that we talked about in the video today in the morning. So again here if you see, this is 26.8, but again as I said, like the morning one was the highest one. So this is also like 20 so 1104, this is 26.8 CR, and again it started falling from there. And again here as well, like this is 16.5, though it's small. 16.5, again it started falling. So even I said that in the video I'll be looking for selling opportunities. Okay, and again it like worked like a charm, and also like some put writers are working, but again here also they went for some reversals. As you can see, it happened here, and after that like it started reversing. So the thing is that like if some indicator is showing that while it's reversing, it's showing that it's printing green candles, then there is no meaning for that indicator, right? You also know that yes, I can see on the chart green candles. Okay, so people are commenting that there is a new indicator in the market, and that is able to catch reversals. Okay, so that is, they are also giving free trial. So I have also taken the free trial. Why? Because one of the members told me, and I have also told in the past live streams that yes, if there is some indicator, please bring it forward. I'll test it with mine. Okay, so that's why like I'm testing it with mine. But yes, that is like if red candles are coming, then if I'm printing red, like if market is moving down, then I'm printing along with that, I'm printing red. And if market is further moving down, I'm showing that yes, the confidence is increasing, then there is no meaning for that. I can also see it on the charts. Okay, so before right here, like I mean show one instance, like there it happened something like this, that is right at the top, green candle, and then after that it started falling. While it's falling, then I can also print red, I can see red. Okay, so what is the meaning of that? Like one member came and told me that see your HFT, like it's better than your HFT. So I mean be logical, guys. I mean if you see red candle and I also print red candle, and if red candles are coming one by one, I also print red candles, and just as like green candle comes, or the previous high or the low gets broken up, or some levels gets taken down, I stop printing the red candles. So obviously it will look like I mean yes, it's working, but it's just printing the chart. There is no, I mean then there is no point. Like you can also see the chart. What is the point? What is the point again printing the same chart on your, like with some conditions on your indicator? So there is no point. Okay, so I mean those who are claiming that like I mean don't get fooled. Again I'm saying that that's why people get fooled. Like heavy words will be used. Okay, सो भारी भारी वर्ड्स फेंका जाएगा, आपको लगेगा कि भाई ये तो बहुत भारी वर्ड्स है, मतलब वी डोंट नो एनीथिंग, मतलब दिस इज वेरी हाई फाई. But look at originally what is happening on the charts. Okay, so like if like I see red candles printing from here, and I see that this, suppose for example I'm saying that this green candles, as soon as the lows gets broken down, so I start printing red candle from here, and as red candles appears, and the for the low it brings lower lows. So I print that more confidence, and I also print red candles along with it. So I mean, there is no meaning to it. You can also see it's making lower lows on the charts, and yes, it's falling, it's red candles. Okay, so I mean, be logical, guys. That's why I always say that be logical. That is, then you can't be fooled. Okay, so you only go with the marketing gimmicks and marketing styles, and that's why you are fooled. But if you see that, I mean, that is nothing new. That is just, I mean, the thing is that such an indicator is nothing but it's just printing the chart, so it can never go wrong. You should understand that the chart itself can never go wrong. Okay, so I mean, you Nifty is going up, so that means the chart is also going up, guys. So if you are just simply printing the chart in your indicator, okay, with some conditions, not exactly with some conditions that yes, if this high, low, or this level gets taken down, so print the similar green candles or print the similar red candles. Okay, so then your indicator can never go wrong. But ultimately, what you are printing the chart. Okay, so you have to understand that. And again, if you want, I'll make a detailed video about that. The guy is also giving free trial, has started yesterday. He has recently launched it, and he's also Bengali. And if you want, I can like give a detailed review. I mean, because he's giving a free access trial, so I have taken it. I can give you a very detailed review of like what basically that indicator is doing, just printing the chart. Okay, so that's, you have to first understand the basic, that is printing the chart can never go wrong, because if the chart is going up, it will go up, and you will print it's going up, so you will also be correct, but you are already seeing that the chart is going up, so what is the need of that indicator? Yeah, hi everyone. So again, I'm saying that again, you are almost welcome to bring something which is like leading than the HFT algo scanner in the market. So there is nothing in the market. Okay, so I'm guaranteeing you. So if someone is building anything, bring it forward. We will check it out, and we will show you to you with logic. Like, I won't be saying that, oh, this does not work, that does not work. मुझे लगता है. So I will give you proper explanation with the help of the charts. Okay, so I mean, most of the people don't understand the thing, that is they understand that, oh, see this green and market moved up, so oh, this green, this indicator is working, but ultimately the chart can never go wrong, so you have to understand that. I mean, Nifty's chart can't go opposite to Nifty where Nifty is heading, right? So again, guys, like these two levels, until unless they are taken down, so we will be having like this type of movement. I have already discussed in like before the market start. I have posted this video. I have already discussed it. Okay, and discussed is not only like मुझे लगता है. I have discussed it with the help of the HFT algo scanner, wherever it showed the huge put writing last day and the call writing last day, and these two levels are being respected today very well. And now you can see that like the HFT algo scanner is like tells you a lot about the big institutional positions, and these are the big institutional positions. Like I have shown you from time to time, I have proved that from time to time. So like sudden movement cannot come if like it's the retailers. Okay, so since it's the like I mean the big institutions, then only you are getting those reversals. Like in the morning, as like I also posted here as well. Like in the morning, I posted it on X as well. Here, this one. So go and check out the time as well. Like 9:28. So yes, A little late in posting, but let's see, when it happened, 9:24. So 4 minutes after that I posted. Yes, and after that also, like, it went slightly up, and again call writing happened here, and again it fell. So, and again here also, like, I think this one also I posted. Yes, this one also I posted, I think. Earlier, so it's call writing. Yes, so this one, let's look at the time. So here I showed, like, call writing happening 10:23. So this is 10:15 and 10:23. So even 22:23, market was still there at that point, and then after that again it fell. So again this was also good one, like 41.3 CR. Okay, so this is kind of reversal, like it's saying from, like, far away from when market hasn't, like, reversed. Okay, so it's not printing the chart. So like, it's proper, like, reversals. Okay, so catching these reversals with a high probability is, like, yes, also I'm not saying that my indicator is works 100% of the time. See, yes, there are certain cases where like, sometimes it also fails, and for that we have the smart trend also, like the smart trend, if it's in the sell mode. So then while you're going long, so you have to be a little bit cautious, that I have already told. Or if you're seeing put writing, then wait for the reversal on the chart to happen if you are on the sell side. So like these things, like, I have discussed earlier, so, like, to save us. But again, like, capturing reversals is a very difficult job. So it's not like after market has reversed, you are printing it on the charts, the same candles, you're printing it on the charts and saying that like, market has reversed. And also, like, whatever replay video one is making after the market hours, he or she knows what has happened after that. Okay, he or she knows what has happened after that, and the commentary will be according to that. Okay, so live market, tell him to come live. Okay, and then, like, give the live commentary. So while you are making after the day, putting screenshots, putting the replay version, you know what has happened, so your commentary will be according to that, because you know the move. So I mean, that's how, like, people fool you. And if you're still getting fooled, I mean, it's just the marketing gimmicks and nothing else. Pranam boss. So yes, Ronak told me that yesterday, that like, he gave me the link of such an indicator, and they are giving trial. So I also took the trial, and I can very well see that, like, they're printing the charts with some condition. That suppose if market is like, so let's say for example here, this is the green candle, and suppose from this candle it has broken this low, or some broken some level, that is like a VWAP or something, whatever. And then from here I'll print red candles. If it further, the next one is a red candle and it gives a lower low, I'll print another red candle with a high, I mean, with a higher length. And then again, if with a lower low, I'll print another red candle with a higher, and show that the confidence is increasing. And as soon as, like, a green candle comes, I'll stop painting. Okay, so if I simply paint the chart, then I can never go wrong. Okay, so people should have to understand that if I'm painting the chart itself with some condition, I can never go wrong. Because if Nifty is going up, the Nifty's chart won't show that candles are going down, right? And if I'm just printing according to the candles, if green candle comes, I'll print green candles. If red candle comes, I'll print red candles, and that too with some condition, then I can never go wrong. Yeah, so the last few, so here again, the call writers happened. So the thing is that, yes, I have already explained here in this video. That is, today go with the sellers. Okay, so this was a 3 minute 55 seconds video that I posted in the morning. That is, go with the sellers. Okay, so, like, let's see where the sellers were present. So sellers means big call writers. Okay, so, like, here in the morning, so if you see here, right from the top, fell. Here also call writers again. Here it fell. Again some call writers here, but again another big call writing happened here, right at the top. again it fell. Here some again call writers and it started showing again fall. Again here call writers right here and again fell. So again that's why like I told you today, that is go with the call writers. So put writers are also present, but again we should be, if you want to go with the put writers, you have to be a little bit careful today. And especially we are in the sell mode, okay? So that's why like it's not very advisable. And also like here again before this fall, right here again the call writers shorted, okay? And also we have marked these two levels, so if one of the two levels breaks, so we have to be careful. So what happens is that like these put writers again they might be present, and again sometimes it doesn't make sense at that point. If you just go and check out the live stream of like last day, I was live last day, right? Now here at the end, while like see market was going up, so these call writers were present, like market was, nifty was going up, these call writers were shorting, okay? So it wasn't making sense at that point, but now it's making sense, okay? So it's going down. So that's why like I mean sometimes like it might happen that the writers are not making sense. It's simply because the move can come one day after or something. So that's why some you have to be a little bit cautious. That is, if you see put writing happening, then wait for some kind of reversal on the chart, okay? So if one after the other red candles are coming and you see put writing, don't go long, okay? And again no buy, sell or hold recommendation. And also like the thing is that if market is in one directional move, so again take the help of like those directional signals, okay? And before market start, like I have already told you that today it's going to be a sell on rise opportunity, and so one should have grabbed the selling opportunities that came. And again this yellow level, as you know, like last day those 100 CR of put writing that happened like 11:10 a.m. and after that market reversed right from there. So that like we have, according to that we have drawn this level, and if this level breaks, so again put writers have to be a little bit cautious then. Like it's a danger signal for the put writers then. Okay, so yes, big fancy words, marketing gimmicks and everything, and people gets fooled. No, it doesn't work on commodities because TradingView is not allowing option chain data of crypto, of commodities. Once they start accepting, so this level has broken. So again, as I always say that like don't go with the put writers until unless we see a like a reversal sign, okay? So that's what, like it might reverse, it might not, but yes, we have to be a little bit cautious while going long here. Again major put writing is coming. Yes, that's what I said. Like today the final thing is that like all the sell on rise, like so on, like analysis worked perfectly, right? We got many sell on rise opportunities, and that too like the HFTs from the HFT as well. Now what is happening right at the bottom, some put writers are coming in. So we have to wait for a proper signal, like for a proper reversal or some kind of that, okay? Because big institutions, like they have a lot of funds, they can manage their positions in a lot of other ways as well. So but we as a retailer, we have to take a little more confirmation while going, okay? While going with them. And yeah, so no, so yes, Ronak. So the thing is that like why they are openly giving this now, this time I see them like giving this trial offer openly, because now what they have done is like they're printing the charts with some condition, and they know that we cannot ever go wrong until unless people understand that they are printing the same chart. with some condition, then they will realize that they can never go wrong. But now they know that we cannot never go wrong. So that's why like they are fully like giving the free trial. Okay, so that is the thing. Like, so here what we'll do is we'll print the red candle and then we'll stop here, or we'll print a smaller one, and then again we'll start printing red candles from here and show that yes, our indicator is working. But what is the point of getting those red candles in the indicator? Like, what you can only see on in your charts that you have red candles there. So what is the extra benefit you are getting there? And if it's if it's making lower lows, so the confidence obviously increases. Yes, I mean, the very first thing was the option chain analyzer. That was fine, like only when one directional move comes. So that is basically premium based, call premium minus put premium. I have already told that, and people have seen the proof. Whenever market doesn't give one directional move, no further daily post like how it performed. Once the market gives one directional move, at the end of the day he comes with his screenshot how nicely it worked. Okay, so then like people got to know. Now this is the first time they are using this indicator that he has launched yesterday, and people will get to know very soon. It's only a matter of time before they realize, like, once they start taking trade, then they will realize that yes, this is but nothing but the charts, the same chart that they are seeing on the trading view terminal. Yes, there is another point, that is the compression. The compression part can be done several ways, so you can't exactly say that can be done through IV volume. Many conditions can be put to that, and it can be made like those compressions. And it's also not taking any option chain data or something, so it's purely based on cash. So that means like those are coming from like cash segment. Now from cash, what data can you have? Volume, India Wix, and the candles or the spot or the futures chart, and that's it. With all these, you can make some conditions of those compressions and the of those compressions and whatever like the thing is. And mainly the thing is that like the red candles and the green candles on the indicator, so they come when Nifty falls. They come like the red candles only come when Nifty starts falling, and the green candle only comes when Nifty starts going up. And it's above their like those volume weighted average price zone. It when it goes, I think, above or that below level, so it starts printing the green. When it's inside or comes below the upper level, so it starts printing the red ones if they appear on the chart, and that's it. Mostly mota moti. Okay, so can't be exact, but you'll if you see it's a mota moti, that's the thing. It's a plain and simple way to fool people and nothing else. I think so. You will get. I won't take the name. So what happens is that if you take the name, they come with all those defamation notice and all those things to harass you. So I am giving you a proper hint. That is, he's a Bengali. I think he's having more than 100, 1 lakh followers. Might be. I don't exactly remember. So I'm also giving another hint that yes, like someone in the chat box is also correct. So now you know. Now you can, even if you haven't tried, just give it a try. They are giving free trial. So whatever I have said it, like just go and see. Because they are giving free trial, you will understand. Like they are printing the charts itself. But again, as a user, I can, like, since they are giving free trial, so as a user, I can like ask logical questions. Yeah, okay. So if you have opted for trial, then just go and check out the charts. Like, go to 1 minute, or like if in 5 minutes you won't understand because fewer candles within the day, right? Just go to 1 minute or lower time frame, and you will get a clear picture of what is happening. Because fewer the cases, few. I mean, you, to understand how it's working, you will take some time, like how it's happening or something. Once you go into 1 minute time frame, you have so many cases, so you can understand how it's happening easily. You can understand how it's happening, and it's nothing but printing the charts. And if you print the chart, you can never go wrong. And that's why they are giving the free trial for 1 week, because they can always say that, see, our indicator was correct here, our indicator was right here. Yeah, so even whatever, like, I already like posted earlier as well. Uh that is again here also, like the call writers came in and they are like taking it down. So again, as I told you today, mostly go with the call writers. Okay, so that is the thing. Like, yes, so the thing is that I have already commented on that option chain analyzer. It's not so like, since what happens is that I'm always looking for better and better solutions. Like, I'm not here to someone is doing a good job, and I'm not here to like uh, comment anything negative. If they're really doing good, I'll really appreciate. Like, for example, like, I mean, there are many people who follow data points, and I respect that. But uh, if you are making something and claiming something fake, then that's the point. Like, that's where we are disappointed. That is, like, suppose I already said in the last live stream, that is, there is like in Kolkata we have like Vip Bajaj. I don't know what is, I forgot his full name, but he's doing a good job. But I also said that uh, innovation is lagging. Like, they are just incorporating the data and like putting it to you right in front of you in a nice format, so that you, to analyze, you get like you need lesser amount of time to analyze whatever, like in cash segment or whatever you need. So that is the thing. Like I said, that they are doing a good job. So it's not like they are claiming somewhere. I don't know exactly, but as far as I have seen, like that's how I can comment. But here, like, the thing is that the previous one also, option chain analyzer, like when I saw it first, I was also fooled. Okay, so it's not about you guys, like because I am making indicators. I know how Pine script works, what data points we can have, what we can do. So I know all these. Like, I was also amazed, like at the beginning when I didn't know about the Pine script and all those things. So I was also amazed. Like, it's doing a very good job. So then, like, I started following, and then I realized that it's nothing but it only works when market moves one direction, because it's nothing but if you print the sum of the call premiums minus the sum of the put premiums. So if market moves one direction, then your I mean candles or whatever your scores are, like they will show in one direction. And if market moves higher and higher up, your candles also like shows that direction, and you win. Okay, so you can show that yes, my indicator worked. But once, like, it market starts giving reversal or it moves like zigzag, so it fails. Because what happens is that you are averaging out the premium over the time. You are averaging out the call premiums and the put premiums, and you are taking the difference and outputting it. So what happens is, suddenly market starts reversing, the average from is in the positive, so the average will go into the negative. It takes some time. So then I realized that no, it's not doing a good job. Okay, so then I understood why it's not doing. Then I understood that it's nothing but that. Then I posted it on X as well. Like, I clearly, without mentioning the name, I clearly posted it on X. That is what that indicator is doing. Okay, and it's nothing but just fooling people. And then again, this indicator that was launched yesterday, it's just printing the charts, nothing else, just printing the chart with some condition. Like if you print all the candles same, so obviously you can't sell your indicator. So you're printing your indicator like with some condition, and the condition is very simple. Like mota moti, it's like I have already explained. Like what I'll do is, here it's green. Okay, now this two red candles, still this green candle blow hasn't been broken. Now once this candle breaks, like I'll my indicator will print the red candle, and then again the next one breaks the lower, makes a lower low, I'll print another red candle of a bigger length, and then again the next candle makes a lower low, I'll print another red candle with a lower low. And like then after that, if green candles or some candles comes which like doesn't like crosses the high, I mean makes a higher high or something, like or the previous candle's high is taken down, so I'll print nothing. And then again, once this red candle starts making lower low, I'll start again printing the red candles. Okay, so basically you are printing the charts, and that's why like you can never go wrong. Okay, so and once like it starts reversing again, once the previous red candles, like let's high gets, like the previous red candle or some previous to previous red candle high gets broken by the green candle, you start printing the green candles. Or the VWAP range gets broken, or the VWAP gives support, you start printing the green candles. So you are basically printing the chart with some condition, with some favorable condition. So that means you can never go wrong. Okay, so that means you are basically watching the chart with some predefined conditions, and that's it. And that's how people are getting fooled and nothing else. And very high-fi words will be used. Like, which can be very well simply explained in one sentence, one simple English sentence. I mean, for marketing, like they will be using so hi-fi words, like you will think that, oh, I am an illiterate in this market, I don't know anything, I need this indicator, whatever happens I need this indicator. This is like very hi-fi. I made the same as HFT indicator, like I checked with yours, it's giving this. Yeah, so then it's, really great. Like, so you can also share with me, like not the code I'm saying, you can share the output, like, or you can share the screenshot how it performed. So yes, like again, it's not you first, like there are many people who have like who have tried to break the like who have tried to replicate the HFT indicator, and I have appreciated their work. I have posted it on X as well. So it's nothing like if someone is doing good job, and or if they are trying to replicate me as well, it's not like I am against them or something. I even posted them on my X profile as well, that they are trying their best. This is what they have reached so far. So I appreciate, like, innovation is something that I always appreciate, but fooling people just by, just by doing some, printing something like that people don't understand, like, so it's that is a very bad thing. So you can personally DM me on X, like show me the screenshot, so I'll also understand like how you have like done it. And so I'm not telling you to share the code, so just the screenshot, or like Sensex, Nifty, Bank Nifty. So again, as I always say, I someone was asking about these put writers. So now you see again, market has reversed. Like they did put writing here, but market again reversed and almost went to that level, and still it's trying to go up. So that is the thing. Like sometimes right away it might not make sense. Like as I have shown you with proper example. Like just go and check out the last live stream. We were live on Friday. and here market was moving up, and the call writers were coming. So here as well, like market was moving up, call writers were there, and even at the end also call writers were there. So, and some put writing happened, but mostly if you see throughout this region I was live, market did not give a much fall, but the call writers were present. And today, like that's why I posted, like right from the start I posted that go for sell on rise. Okay, so I will be, I did not recommend anything. I said I would be going with, like I would be trying to look for bearish signals, and it worked beautifully. It worked. So that's why, like sometimes it takes some time to follow right at sometimes like it happens right from bottom whenever big quantity is taken, like right here 100 CR put trading happened last day and market nifty reversed. Okay, so you can see like it happened not even while the green candle, like the HFT here, it happened while this red candle came and market reversed. So now again here that is like again as you can see, like now here this put writers took some time to take the market in their direct. Again call writers are present here as well, so they are trying to take it down. So and always I say that, like focus on whoever is like making bigger positions and like the nearer candle position. So again this is a major level, like 24,950. Okay, why? Because last day we saw that those 100 CR of put writing happened, and that's how we have drawn these two levels. Okay, so the above level worked beautifully because we knew that the call writers were present and they needed exit. Now we also have to see whether this level finally market gives a closing above that level or below it. Okay, and for now, like here also call writing happened. So again today I'm mostly like following the writers, the big call writers, I mean. Okay, so yes we can, like you can tell me like the stocks. DLF immense call writing through the day, yet stock is rising. Could be a nasty day tomorrow for you. Yeah, sometimes it happens that in mostly stocks I've seen that sometimes it can happen that like the call writers are like they are taking positions in advance. So that's why we have the smart trend. So don't short until unless whenever you see that call writing is happening but market is not coming down, it's going up. So that means on the smart trend also we will be in the green mode, and that's why especially like wait for the sell mode in the smart trend. uh Divis Lab, Bajaj Auto, Aurobindo Pharma, Alken. Alken, I don't, if there is on the HFT, I don't remember, but yes, I think the others are there. Some put writers at 221. Yes, 221, some put writers are there, and let's see. And here also in Sensex as well, you can see Sensex is, we are also live here. Yeah, so we'll open. So Divis Lab, Bajaj Auto. And also in some stocks, like in the last day also, like we opened that Titagar one. So like I don't know, I don't trade stock options, but I have seen that like after market Titagar went up by so much, like the below strike price were not there. So I mean, if you're looking for like let's say what happened when at right at the bottom, where did we get any signal? So if the strike price or the data of that point is not there, so again we cannot get those signals. We cannot like so that's why like back testing is a little difficult on trading view. You do especially in option chain data, like you don't have the historical option chain data. So yes, let's open one by one. So Bajaj Auto. Okay, so uh, it has become so difficult to analyze BSC. Yes, the strikes are like very irregular and everything. So that's what I'm saying. Like, is it like a very since I don't trade stock options, so is it like very often that this happens? Like, okay, so this is like currently at 8,810. So the difference, we should put 8,800. Strike difference is 106. The expiry is around 29.05. So here some call buyers were active. Like here some put writers were also active. But if we go here before that pump, so like yeah, so right before that pump, like here. So right before that pump here, some put writers like big put writers were there, and here as well some big put writers were there, and call writers were there, but very small quantity. Like mostly at the end you will see like big put writers were there. So and also like on the sorry not this is so smart trend. So yeah, so and we can also go on the 1 minute chart as well and see. So even on the 1 minute chart also, if you see what happened recently, like here one big call writing happened, and again it gave some fall. Okay, so these are also something to understand here, like Bajaj Auto. So let's make it a little smaller. Okay, so and here, so if you want to understand what the last day, so here the put writers, now here the big put writers. Okay, so I hope this is clear what is happening in Sensex. So again today it's better to like sell, because yesterday's call writers are like not yesterday, last day's call writers are like, yeah, hi Ajit. So that's why like I already mentioned it today at the start, that is today just this video in the morning I posted like look for, I will be looking for bearish opportunities. And yeah, so like because everyone was bullish above 25k, so Bajaj Auto, Aurobindo Pharma. So okay, let's go for Aurobindo Pharma. No day could match Thursday, Jane Street rocks. Yes, no day could match Thursday, right? I mean, all the three reversals it caught that day, like before 1 a.m. So Thursday's expiry, the volatility, and it just caught all the three reversals. So I mean, I mean, it was a fantastic day. Like so, yeah. So yes, Aurobindo Pharma, sir. Auro- Okay, so 20. So it's let's say 12:20. Yeah, so okay, so here those call writers like they wow. I mean finally they took it down to their level. I mean they also shorted here, they averaged it out here and then they're taking it down. So from here it was like all. So again let's go to the 1 minute to better understand. So yeah, so coming down here. So again, as I say, like suppose you see call writing here. So don't just straight away short because market is going up. Okay, so wait for a reversal kind of thing. Wait for the chart to reverse. That's what I always say that. And also we are in the buying zone in the smart trade. So while you're going in the buying zone, you're shorting. So be careful. And so that's what like I have given a clear message earlier as well. So wait for the chart to bend. Okay, and yeah, so and also like before this up move, I think here call writers and again then put writers call buying happened. So sometimes the big guys also buy calls, but we can't be very sure. But in the morning, if you see here, the very first 9:15 a.m. in the morning and 9:18 a.m. in the morning. So we are on 3 minutes chart. Okay, so let's go to 1 minute so you better understand. Yeah, so where here? So this is 9:15. This is yeah. So the mainly like the callback happened at 9:19 and 9:20. And here some call writers were also there, and here some call writers were also there, and then after that here. So like here what happens is that sometimes it might happen that their stop loss got hit here, they closed and again they initiated. So several things can happen. So because several things can happen in the stock market, so that's why like I always say that if you want to short, even like wait. If you see call writers, so market is pumping, so wait for the market to bend. If it doesn't, or wait for the sell signal on the smart trend. If it doesn't, so then don't go for it. Like here also, like it went down after that. Here also, like wherever they shorted, like at this level. So sorry, this level. Okay, so like I mean after averaging out here, so I mean obviously they are profitable now. Okay, what more we have like we got BSC. So and it all happens in real time. So I mean there is no lag or something. Where did it go? The message. DLA, yeah. Divis Lab, Bajaj Auto, Aurobindo Pharma, Alkin. I think I'll have to check whether Alkin is there or not. Okay, Alchem is there. Yeah. So let's. Okay, I don't have it set up. What happened? 3905. Oh. Okay, so let's make a new layout for Alchem. Alchem, I have to check the option chain. So currently it's 5300. Difference is 50. 629. Yeah. Okay, so again, we are on 1 minute Alchem. Today, let's see. Here. So again, someone shorted here as well. And then after that, the fall started from here. Okay, so then the fall came in and again, like here also they shorted and then this fall came in, and again they shorted here, straight away the fall started, and again some shorts happened here and the fall started. So that's how it's going. And before the fall, whether those strike price are present or not, I have to check. Like it should be like since 50, so 50 200, so might be, let's see, so let's put the strike as 200 and see. So last day, like this is last day. Last day, was it in the ban period? Like most of it, like it's blank. Was Alchem in the ban period last day? So I don't know. Like, so the thing is that if it wasn't in the ban period, here the writers, like right at the beginning, like if you see here, that is 916, 917, 98, 919. So this is the beauty of the indicator. That is, you don't like have to wait for the NSE option, like OI data every 3 minutes uh, starting from 9:18 a.m. in the morning. So it starts right away in the morning. Like if it detects the big guys activity, like here, even like look at here, like here 12:23, so right here, and then this one and this big red candle. So you can understand, like, so like even this is nothing like I am showing something my favorable case. I'm just going over through whatever you are saying, I'm showing it to you, and that is how it worked. So if it did not work, it did not work. If it worked, it worked. So uh, that's why, like, I keep the 100% transparency, so that like at least you have the trust. That is, so in stock or any other business, trust is the very first factor. uh, Delivery had the highest OI change but didn't see it as it wasn't moving then. Later on the move came. Okay, delivery. um Aman Gupta ji, so I hope it's clear. uh okay, Titagarh, okay, bring it on. Titagarh, last day also I showed. Yes, yes, I'm bringing it on. So the thing is that I also said that, like in Titagarh, what happened was that the below strikes are not present now. So last day when we opened it, uh, during the live stream, so after that I realized, like later on I was reading the charts again, and later on I realized that the below strike price, after it has moved so much, the below strike price are not present at that moment. So that's why we cannot get hold of that. So again, Titagar, so if you look at here today, so today Titagar, if you see right here, 9, so is Titagar like in the ban period or something? So if it is not, then again, like here 9:27 9:27 a.m. in the morning, again these call writers came in today. So I'm talking about this today, and after that, like you see, straight away the fall came in. So here, so straight away the fall came in, and right here as well, some call writers, again the fall, but again here as well. So that is the thing. And like if you want to analyze with respect to this 900 strike price, so this is, we are okay, we are analyzing with respect to the 900 strike price. Like here as well, some call writers, and then it fell. But while this up move came, we don't have the strike price, like 800 strike price is not there. Like I can show you that. So that's why we cannot now analyze with respect to that strike price, because we don't have that data. Titagar. So if you see that one is like at 860, that is the lowest one. Okay, so Also, let's go back to our friend Sensex once more. So let's see what is happening there. Uh, Titagar on chart change on Friday was 81%. Now it's in ban. Yeah, so it's in ban period. Bring it on. So it's in ban period. So that's why it's totally like blank, blank, blank. So uh, but how much volume should be considered high or low for the trade to be taken in stocks? So it depends. It varies from stock to stock. Like in Reliance, HDFC, I've seen like if it's near to 1 CR or like more than 50 lakhs and like less than 1 CR, so it's a like fair amount, and above 1 CR it's a good amount. So like this you have to like study like the charts, and also like you will be able to understand once the call writing happens, you will be able to see the like the length of the bar, and you will be able to see the charts, whether the charts are bending after that or not. So you get the idea, kind of idea, that yes, the big institutions are present there. Like every day Ronak whatever captures he shows me, and then I also post it on X, so you can also go like how he does it. Like I have shared that he checks the NSE OI sprouts, and if there the changes in OI is uh, it has delay of, no, I'm coming to that. Yes, if it has OI is greater than 7%, and then he goes and tracks those stocks on the HFT algo scanner, and wherever it works he tracks those like he captures those moves. So that's the thing. And okay, delivery. So let's, I've opened two Sensex. Okay. uh Sen- Sensex trading view chart of has delay of 15 minutes. If I purchase the indicator, it's of no use. No, Umesh ji, see, it's not my fault. See, for Nifty or NSE, it will be real time. Okay, even if you have free basic version, like I have already shown it to you here in one of the video. So I made here the game. No, sorry, not this one. This trading view hacks. Okay, so I have shown it to you in that video that even if you have the basic account, you can run the HFT algo scanner, but only the limitation is in Sensex, not in NSE, in any stocks. Okay, because all the stocks are, you are not following BSE, you are following NSE. So as long as you are tracking anything under NSE, it's real time and it's free for all. Okay, once you go for anything from BSE, so BSE data needs to be bought even on TradingView. So I am also paying monthly 400, 450 to 500 rupees to get, like I have the premium version in TradingView. Okay, so I have the premium version in TradingView. So the thing is that even after that, I don't get the like real time feedback in Sensex. I have to buy separately the Sensex data from BSE on TradingView at 450 plus something per month, and I am getting the real feedback. Okay, so that's what the thing is. That is not my fault. That is like BSE and TradingView. So BSE is charging, guys. So again, but apart from that, again, many people just go with like Sensex and trade in. Sorry, many people go with Nifty and trade in Sensex as well. So that I have also told in the last session as well. So that is the thing. Okay, so I hope Umeshji, you got the point. That is not my fault. That is how BSE is selling their data. But once you get it, like your Sensex also you get live. But apart from that, in Nifty or any NSE stock, it's like all the listed stock that we have on our HFT algo scanner. So it's all based on NSE. So all these stocks, and so you get like the real time feedback there. Okay. Uh, or do we just need to refer to bigger bars? Wait, let me read. T-Tower, okay, fine, but how much volume? Okay, I answered that. or do we need to just revert to bigger bars? Yes. When you are trading in Sensex and not and like indices, so like this one, you can wait for bigger bars, or for scalping you can go with the smaller bars as well. But like this one, like as I also posted in the morning on X as well, like this one. So it was a big one. So if you see the like here 55 CR, so the amount, if you see here, it's 55 CR of call writing happened, and I posted it there. Okay, so after that only two red candles came, and I posted it then and there. So and after that you saw the fall came in, and again after that they here also like they shorted, and I also posted that, and again the fall came in. So bigger bars has a higher probability, obviously. Like is if the big institutions are putting more money, so that means probability is also getting higher. Okay, so that is the thing. And again I'm telling you that today I have already shared that go with the sellers, go with the sellers. Like here I have posted in the morning this video, so go with the sellers. So again, no recommendation that, like, I mean, go with the sellers means I will go with the sellers. Rest is, I have shared my analysis with you. Rest is up to you guys. I can't give you any buy, hold, sell recommendation. So I can help you with my indicator. That's it. And yes, what else we were discussing? So let's again go back to Sensex. Yeah. So Sensex trading view chart. Yeah, I answered that to Umesh ji. Uh, Sumit Kureja, okay. Timing when to check OI. Yes, Ronak, I hope he has answered that. Like he told me that he checks it in the first 15 or first 30 minutes, or uh, Gurit Singh between. Oh, so he has answered like 9:20 to 9:30. Okay. Smith Kureja, Ronak, please share some more nuggets from your experience on stocks. Yeah, so he has a really good experience in stocks. So, uh, because I don't like have much experience in stocks, so but I since I mostly trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty and Sensex, so you'll see most of my analysis are concentrated here. But again, like the indicator also works for stocks as well, but you have to like be a little bit careful. So again, like if you see here, that is, I'm already telling you, like today once this yellow level has been taken down, so be careful, like the put writers especially. So here some big put writing happened. Right now some big put writing happened. Oh wow, it's a very big one. So it's 70 CR of put writing happened. Let's see. So guys, 70 CR of put writing happened right now. Right now. 248. So again, I don't know whether market will reverse or not, but let's see. Let's see the magic of the HFT. Even in Sensex also it's showing. Okay, so it's going. So we'll see. So again, as I have said, like even with such a big put writing, also wait for the confirmation. Like effect have started showing, but it's better to wait for some more confirmation. Like even in Sensex also. Yeah, I think. So here I have put an alert, like the one that you can like see here. So those were the alerts. Like whenever this is hit, that is 80 CR or more than 80 CR of position is taken at 1 minute time frame. So it will alert me. So wherever I am, like on my mobile or anywhere, it will give me an alert. So I can come to the charts and then check it out. So I don't have to also sit and wait for like a big movement or something, like big positions to take form or something. So I can just put the alert. Like in Nifty I put it at 80 CR. I can put it also at 50 CR. I can put several alerts, and it will just show me. So now you can see, guys, like the reversal is happening. Yes, please. I usually scalp on stocks and prefer to trade in futures as the most options are illiquid and very frustrating to trade. Yes, okay. So I'm not an expert in that field. Ashok, Orco's HFT scanner is the game changer. Without it, this strategy isn't that strong. Okay. Yeah, thanks, Ronak. Uh, okay, thanks. 15-20 minutes back, I saw one huge put writing before candle closing. It became huge call writing. Yes, so that's what like I have shown. I have told in several live streams previously also. That is, while it hasn't posted its output, okay, so it's still thinking since it's a probabilistic model. And so it should like it's not very easy, as you know, like to analyze whether they are put writers or call writers or buyers, whatever. So like it's still thinking, but once it has posted, then after that it will never change. Okay, so while it is posting, yes, like wait for its final print. Okay, wait for its final print, and that's what I would say. Okay, once it has made its final print, then you see there won't be any change. So that means it's still thinking. I said like in most of my live streams previously, that is, while it's you see that red green happening, so that means it's thinking. Okay. So again, like if you found it helpful, so don't forget to put a like. So so how much was it in Sensex? So it's at 81,000. So let's change the ATM to 81,000. Sorry, 82,000. Yeah, so yeah, so it's better to like, since like I always say that if you are going long, if you in the selling mode of the smart trend, so it's risky. So then you should like just scalp and get out. Or if you like have seen that such a big quantity has been taken in put trading, so you wait for the smart trend. So if they are really there, so they would like have to take it up. So okay. Okay, so what's next? Like yeah, Divis Lab and Aurobindo Pharma. Okay. Oh, sorry. I think I made a mistake of Oro Pharma. So let's see. I just a second. Yes, we were talking about sex. No, I don't think we have Aurobindo Pharma. We have Oro Pharma. For Oro Pharma, I showed you, I think. But I mean, are they the same or different? Like, no, I think they are no, I think they are the same, right? So I showed Aurobindo Pharma then. Like here we opened, like I showed Oro Pharma. Yeah, this one. I showed it, right? Yeah, so I showed it. Like we analyzed it here. So we saw that like here the call writers happened, but the market went up. But then they again shorted it at the top, and then again here, and a big short happened here, and then it fell. So yeah, hi Jacker. And one more thing is left, I think Divis Lab. So I'm really sorry, I don't trade stocks. So if I am asking any, so Divis Lab also I don't have the setup. So let's make. Divis Lab, let's open the option chain. Six, five, zero. So 6, 5, 0, 50, 29, 25, 25. So Divis Lab, or so this is. Okay, so here's some big call writing happened, but do we have this strike? See, we don't have this strike, so you can't now analyze what happened here because that was like 6 200. So now we don't even have that strike. So that's why like you can't say anything about here. Like now we can only analyze what is happening here because we don't have that data, like whatever the option chain data was there, so we don't have it there. So then we have to only analyze with respect to the in the money, like deep in the money, like strikes. Yeah, I'm coming one by one. So not much activity after that, like call writers, buyers, and mostly like that only. Like here, so as you know, we only follow the call writers. So here one significant thing came like, and after that it's falling. So like this one, like here call writing happened, here call writing happened. We don't go with the deep green. So here it happened, and after that, like now this is, it's all making sense here. Okay, so Divis Lab shown, Aurobindo Pharma shown, so everything I have shown. Uh, Same only, so okay. Yeah, hello. Hi, let's catch the 3 p.m. move of Sensex. It's already 3 p.m. guys, so let's concentrate on Sensex. So yes, guys, so it's the put writers were mainly present here, guys. So now I think this is making sense. So let's. So I mostly don't trade 3 p.m. So if you want, you can catch the move. So it's all right in front of you. Here, the big chunk of put writing happened. So it was right in front of you when it happened, and now I hope it's all making sense to you all. So that's how like the HFT is like, it's a very very advanced indicator. Like it gives you sign from like way earlier. So this is kind of something that you can call it as reversal. So the the other guy that I was talking about right at the start of this live stream, so he's just fooling people. So don't fall in that trap. So he's just printing the charts on his indicator with some condition, and that's why you will never find it wrong. Okay, so because a chart can never go wrong, because Sensex chart, if Sensex is going up, chart will also go up. So I hope you are like that. This was a 3 p.m. move. So I hope it was very clear and you were able to capture it. So I mean it was nicely captured. So again here we were like at 82,000. So let's look at 82,000 call. So we should buy call. So this is Sensex. Oh sorry. So yes, tomorrow is the expiry. So I was saying today is the expiry. So anyways, 82,000. So let's just simply look at how much the ATM moved. So right from like 259 it started. So 259, it's from like almost 300, it pumped to 340. Okay, and it's still further trying to take it up. So again, these put traders, like they were present at 248, and I clearly told you that they are present. So 248, this is where like the price was again at 300 itself, like the price never went below that even, and then from like 259 it pumped to 340. So again 40 points is like a good move, guys. So I mean it's a good one. And again now, like as I told you that now I hope it's all making sense about this reversal, right? So the 80 CR, sorry, the 70 CR of put writing that happened in Nifty right at the bottom here, and market reverse, guys. So this is the fantastic, like this is the best part of this indicator. I mean, which you can't get elsewhere. Okay, so like other people are just trying to fool you with their marketing gimmicks and nothing else. Uh, like it's not about like me being negative about others. So like I also praise the others as well, but those who are trying to fool people and trying to rip them off, so I'm totally against them. Like someone just said that they have been able to replicate my indicator, so I appreciate it. And I also, like, it happened in the past as well. So I also posted, like they showed me, I posted their screenshot, I also posted who were trying to replicate and how much they have proceeded. So I appreciate, like, if someone is doing some good work, I really appreciate. But if someone is just trying to fool you by just printing the chart, so be very very careful. Okay, so like I know how pine script works, what data is available in pine script, what are the limitations are there. So it's not very easy to fool me, but it's very easy to fool someone like who doesn't know. Like I myself, when I didn't know about pine script and all those things, so even I was fooled by his first option chain analyzer indicator. Okay, and then after that, like I studied about pine script a lot, and then I got to know that he's fooling people and just adding the average out of the call premiums plus minus the sum of the averaging of the put premiums and printing it on the chart and selling it for 40K per year or 40K for 6 months, I don't exactly remember. So, and also launching a new indicator yesterday. I mean, he's freely giving the access to everyone. Now try to understand that why he's giving access, why he's on full confidence, because he's just printing the chart, and so his indicator can never go wrong. Okay, if suppose for example, again let me try to show you an example here. Like here, what happened in Sensex, like till here I was red. Suppose my indicator is showing red. Now this green candle comes, I print nothing. Okay, I wait for the green candle to like break this high, the previous red candle's high, or whatever on the VWAP or something, some levels. If it takes support there, then I'll start printing the green candles. Like from here I'll start printing the green. Next one is green, I'll print a bigger green. Next one higher high, I'll print another higher green candle. And then the next one again making a higher high green candle. So I'll again print a higher green candle, and people will think that yes, the indicator is showing what the like market is also going, but it's not. It's just printing the chart. And as market is making higher highs, and it will show you that the confidence level is getting higher and higher up. So it's nothing but you can yourself see on the chart that market is making higher highs and confidence is increasing. Okay, so that's why like a chart can never go wrong. But if you are just printing the chart on an indicator and selling it to the people, I don't know why people will be buying it. If you don't understand this, like try to think that why should I buy which I can already see it on the chart. So scroll the live stream, you will get his name. I won't be saying his name on here, because what happens is that I'm saying that he's fooling people and all those things. So then uh, he might come and sue me, and like that won't even like last, because he's fooling around. And the thing is that like he's a Bengali guy. He's having more than 1 lakh followers, and so he's fooling a lot of people. Like his option chain analyzer, I have posted earlier that it's nothing but it only works when market moves one direction. And he was exactly after I posted it on X that it will only work when market moves one direction. People saw that he's only posting after EOD. He is only posting on the days when market moved one direction, because it's nothing but the call premiums minus the put premiums. So if market moves one direction, it will show a very nice sign. But if market zigzags, it will like it, since it averages out the data, so it will be the worst case scenario for the indicator. Okay. And also like he has launched one new indicator yesterday and giving trial for 1 week. Take the trial, guys, take the trial. Understand for yourself that it's nothing but it's printing. Like here, what I'll do is, as soon as it breaks the previous like let's say like a big red candle or this middle blue line, for example on my smart trend, I'll say that whenever it's giving a close below this blue line, so I'll start printing the red candles in my indicator. And so basically I'm printing the chart, I can never go wrong. Okay, so you have to understand, like take the trial, and whatever I'm exactly saying, just look at the outputs, go into 1 minute time frame, don't go into 5 minutes time frame, because you have like on 5 minutes you have like limited amount of candles, so you don't understand better. But go into like here, you see this is kind of reversal. Like here in Sensex you just saw, like here we saw call writing and then the next candle started red. Okay, here even in here also Nifty, I was live. So this is the beauty of this HFT algo scanner. Okay, now why am I talking about this one? Because like another, like Ronak also showed me the indicator that he's catching reversal, he has made this that. And so again, like I have already made an open challenge that bring it on. Okay, bring whatever whatever indicator, if you see that if it is more leading than this, please I mean show it to me. I will be happy to analyze it and will be able to accept if it is if it really does a good job, or will be really commenting that it, I mean whatever the truth behind it is. So that's the thing. Like here, since the closing is below this, let's say this blue line, I'll post red, and as soon as it gives this green, I'll post nothing. And if it again gives a red one below this green, I'll again post red on my indicator. And thus you can very well understand that I'm sometimes posting and posting nothing and posting the chart only, so I can never go wrong. But you can only see the chart. I mean, why do I then need the indicator? I can see the chart itself, whether the candle has broken the previous candle's high or low, or it's green or red, I can see that. So it's doing nothing but just that. And like naming it as like AI, some AI, I mean there is nothing about AI, it's Ghanta AI. Like just using the word AI and hi-fi words to just make it sell. Okay, so and giving the free trial, because like even one of the member, like he like today, like he was very sure that no, this is catching reversal. Then I have clearly like pointed out and showed to him That is, no, it isn't. Like, it's just printing the chart. So we all get awareness. Yes, so just scroll I can't, that's why I can't say directly his name. Why? Because I don't want to get into conflict or something. I don't want to waste my time. What these people do is, like, to, I mean, what they do is, like, if they want to stop you, so they will send you some court notice and defamation notice, and they might waste your time and do all these stuffs, okay? And they might claim that, oh, you have, like, made, for you I have made 1 CR of loss, so you have to give me this. So but ultimately those doesn't stand, okay? Those doesn't stand. But yes, like, anyone can do anything and waste your time at least. So I don't have any time to waste, so that's why I'm not taking the name. But again, if you want the name, just scroll the uh, or anyone can post the name. Like, they cannot track you, but they can track me. I am the face of this channel or something. But if someone is naming them in the chat, like, they cannot track them. So you are, like, good to track them, like, good to post about them, okay? So many people have commented his name or his uh, company's name or website's name, I think. So just go and check it out. Like, check out the comment section, you will get to know, okay? You will get to know his name. So, and also, like, the again, guys, don't get fooled by this. That is, like, he has posted a video 1 day or 2 days ago. Like, Ronak showed me that video, okay? Gave me the link of that video. Now he is going in replay mode and showing. And now he's like, making some commentary according to the move. Are bhai, you already know what is going to happen next, so your mind will be obviously biased towards it. You know that after this candle, the it's going to reverse, so you are shouting reversal, reversal, reversal in a replay mode. Okay, shout it in, like, come online, come live, and then shout. Okay, then shout that reversal, reversal, reversal. Bhai, you already know that reversal will happen because you're in replay mode. You are just replaying something that you already know what has happened. And the commentary is like live. Market is live and he's commenting. Okay, so I mean, just bullshitting. And I mean, I'm really, like, I'm totally, like, very angry with this thing. That is, see, guys, like, today I was live. Here I showed that some big put writing happened, okay? And then we were, like, cautious about, like, we were looking for some good upward signal, and it came here. But again, it did not give a close above this level. But still, market showed a slight reversal, at least, like, after this big put writers came in. That was the low for the day, right? So things like this, like, we are live and we are catching the reversals. And also, like, I posted on X in the morning as well about this in Nifty, the big writing, this one, that is the 55.7 CR right here, and then market fell. So these are the some things, like, I mean, where you are totally honest and you are see, I also show in replay mode, but I don't, like, I whenever I show in replay mode also, I tell people that if you don't believe, refer to this post or refer to the live stream. So I also tell this, because I don't tell them that because that is replay mode. I always tell people that, so all these replay modes I have made, like, I also make replay modes, like this video, okay, this video. In every video, whenever I have made some replay mode or I am showing some past, like, already the market has closed, so I always say that, like, after market has closed, anyone can say anything, and so that also is applicable for me. And that's why I always say that, okay, fine, if you don't believe me, I always uttered this sentence, that if you don't believe me, I have posted this on X at this time, refer to that post, because after that, you can check out the time of the post, and see what was the chart saying. After that, what happened, see. And also I was live, go check those. So I also refer to those, because it might happen that those who are new, they might not believe. But this guy is like a full confidence. He's just, I mean, in replay mode, he's shouting reversal, reversal, reversal. I mean, that was the thing. Like I lost it to yesterday. So I was watching his video. I lost it yesterday. That, what are you shouting? Like, you know that reversal will happen. You are in replay mode, bro. Yes, rising VIX is very confusing. Yes, so the compression and all those things that can be done with IV volume and all those things, it's nothing like very hi-fi things. But I have told you motamoti what is like the indicator is doing and nothing else. Don't fall for it. It's nothing but the chart itself with some predefined condition. And also, like, if you don't have to believe me also, guys, that guy is giving one like till 19th, I think he's giving free trial. Just go and fill out the form, and I have also taken the free trial. That's why I'm able to say that. Like, I tested today it in live market today. Just go on 1 minute time frame, you will have so many candles, you will able to perfectly understand. On 5 minutes also you will be able to understand. But what happens is that you have fewer candles, so fewer cases. More number of cases, you get a clear picture, right? That's it. So yeah, so the plan for tomorrow, we have to like mark this level, like the low, because here some good amount of put writing happened. So we have to mark that level, and that's the thing. Like, I had doubt. I was seeing Sensex 82 CE. There has been hand exchange on that strike price, but in your HFT algo, no hand exchange. If you could explain. No, here hand exchange, like hand exchange means what? This is not like either they are closing or initiating. Like here in Sensex, at what time? 82,000. Like what is the time? You have to mention the time as well. Like, otherwise, like, hand exchange happened in Sensex means 82,000 C. Like, the whole day is there, right, Amanji? So you have to be a little more specific. And also, like, here what is happening is we mainly focus on what. So the because of that hand exchange. So let me explain. So that hand exchange word has come from that Nitin Bhatia. Okay, so that guy is also a good one. Like, he also follows data points, but like, he's one thing I did not like about him is like, after market hours he used to earlier come and say that here put writing happened, here call writing happened. But I then like, one thing is that yes, everyone can say after the market hours, but where is the proof that you knew while we were live? Like, here there is a proof that I said that in the morning call writing happened here, right? So look at the time of the post, 9:28, not even 9:30 a.m. in the morning. Okay, but that was the thing. But yes, I do appreciate the other part, that is he made the option chain indicator, so that was not fooling people. Okay, so I haven't used it for like personally, the option chain indicator he has made, but sometimes saw the scores and so on. But I realized how to make it, and that was nothing. Like, I also have this almost like a similar version here as well. Not I mean, not, I would say similar, because he hasn't shared his code with me. So I have built my own, he has also built his own, and I have seen that yes, like, there is something that is in him, that is he is not there to fool people. That I can very well say. So that I really appreciate. But this guy is like right away, like, I mean, fooling people right away, like right in front of the eyes. So yes, hand exchange, like the one that I was talking about, hand exchange. So what happens is that, like, I have also said, like, for example, why don't we follow the buying? So why do we only follow the writing? Because the first thing is that like the big institutions like the hedge funds, Jane Street, you should understand they're trading with billions. Okay, sometimes at least with 500 CR or 1000 CR. 1 billion means 800 CR, 8000 CR. So you should understand like their capacity. So now with that amount, like they short. Okay, so they short. So think like this, that is, if you have only 10 CR, so will you go and buy for 5 CR, buy options with 5 CR, 6 CR? No. But with 10 CR also you can you can utilize your full funds and sell also. You will feel comfortable with that, but you won't feel comfortable if you're buying option with 5 CR. Suddenly if the option decays 50% on an expiry day, it happens most of the times, you're half, like 2.5 CR gone within just a matter of second. Okay, but if you're writing, it can happen, but with writing you can hedge it. You can also have the option of time decay, and there are several factors. So writing happens. So we are going with the writing. Okay, and now you saw like here big writing happened and market gave a slight reversal at least. Like even last day also we saw, why did we draw this level? Like here 100 CR of put writing happened and Nifty reversed. Okay, and then here suppose again taken together this more than 100 CR of call writing happened, and today I posted why I was looking for bearish signal in the morning. I posted 12 hours ago my analysis, that is I was looking for today bearish signals, and today market gave a nice fall. Okay, and now coming to the hand exchange part, that is now the hand exchange happens, like not hand exchange, but the main point is that they are closing their position. So they're, if they have done writing, now while they are closing they should buy. So that's where the buying thing comes, and that's where like we just keep the buying. The deep red is the put buying and the deep green is the call buying, and that we keep it on our HFT algo scanner just for reference of that hand hand exchange or whatever you say. Okay, or closing of their positions. But apart from that, like that is why we have it on our charts. But that, and I have several times said we only follow the light red, which is the call writing, and the light green, which is the put writing. Okay, and I'm also not denying that they don't buy at all. Sometimes you will see that buying also happens, like here they bought and it started falling. The next was a big red candle, but mostly they sell. Okay, so buying also they do, but mostly they sell. So here selling happened, here selling happened, here also selling happened. So follow the selling, you will win with a high probability. That is the thing. 258 HDFC cam. So okay, HDFC AMC I'm opening, but again bring it on, please. Ensure that it's not in the ban period, because Titagar was in the ban period. You told me that. Sumit, what could be the plan? Yeah, I said that the plan, like this should be, we should take this as the level, like or 24,900 we should take it as support. Okay, so, and also in Sensex also some call writers are there, but a huge put writing happened here. Also call writers are there, so kind of like both are present. Okay, so okay, yeah, opening. Let me answer the others. Very high PCR. Okay, 258 HDFC AMC. Okay, I'm opening. Yeah, what I mean is the price has moved, but no hands are exchanged, like there are gaps. Still I did not get your point. Sorry, Amanji. Like here also I have gaps. Like where I have gaps, so that means my model, your model will be different. It's not like always, like I'm not claiming that I am always able to figure out any big activity. Okay, so my model also, like every model, every probabilistic model, that's why we don't say it's a deterministic model. Deterministic model means that every time it will be able to say it correctly. Okay, probabilistic model means like with high probability, it's saying that here no big guys activity happened with high probability, but there's still a chance that our indicator can give wrong result. But again here, as it showed put writing, so it's saying that with a high probability put writers have done, and this is the fund. Okay, again this is also not the exact fund. 24.5 CR in Sensex here, and in Nifty it's 70 CR, like as you can see the amount. So this is also an approximation, but yes, it gives you almost a clear picture. Okay, So yes, now opening what was there? HDFC AMC. Okay, let's see. Make a copy. Sorry, I don't think HDFC AMC. Okay, I don't have that set up. I'll have to make it. So make a copy. So 4800 4800 50 difference 1129. Sorry. So again, someone was there to capture the 3 p.m. move. So I hope you have been able to capture it, guys. So those who wanted, it was a straight cut signal like the green one, and put writers were also present below. So if you liked it, don't forget to put a like. Okay, so I'm watching this side because today I don't have like this, the option for this one is not coming, like the comments are not coming. So anyways, here let's see. So HDFC AMC, we are on 1 minute chart. So let's expand the chart a little bit. So it's almost like, guys, flat. So again, call writers happened here, call writing happened. Now some put writers are coming into the action. Okay, so otherwise mostly it's flat. Like here, if you see, the call writing happened right here, like so here the call writing happened, and then after that, like it gave a fall, and so that's it for your HDFC AMC. Silly question, but isn't it 100 CR is small amount of our markets, like our markets are? No, 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 there is a cap of 500 CR in options, like I think like taking positional, I think for the prop decks or the for the FIIs. I don't exactly remember. So 100 CR is not a small amount, guys. So then why will NSE or sorry, why will SEBI or NSE keep a cap of 500 CR for EOD positions? Silly question. Jacker Raj, and do you know what is the average traded volume of index? Average traded volume, so that you can open like you have to sum up the volume and take the average, so it might be very huge. So I don't exactly have that data, but if you say strike wise, then also like I'll have to see. I don't have any, and volume is a thing which is like always increasing. So if you just check the option chain data, that volume, so that volume makes no sense like of the current volume. So you have to check the change in the volume. Okay, so what do you mean by trading strategies? Like if the big guys are doing like heavy, if they are taking heavy positions, like strategy means what? Like for example, today let's take the example. So just go and refer to this one, like 12 hours ago posted this video, 3 minutes only. Okay, so again, I said that I'll be looking for bearish opportunities. Why? The reason is like I saw big institutions making call writing positions. Okay. So then after that, like here I posted in the morning, the very first signal was 55.7 CR. And then like here from there, like market gave a fall and again it went up, again call writers were active and again gave a fall. Okay. Now again after that, like here the next big call writers came in here. And after that again it gave a fall. Okay, so I was just following the call writers. Now here again two call writers came in, like sorry, two big chunks of call writing happened and again it fell. So I was taking the basically like here also again call writing happened. So these were quantities were small, 16.5 CR. But again here the fall came in and so on and so forth. And whatever, like if you want a foolproof strategy or something, so I have discussed how to use the indicators. Like watch these two videos. Okay, watch these two videos. The one here, like high probability setup and the reversal video. Okay, so watch these two videos and you will get to know. And also you can watch the game changer one, how to scalp. You will understand. Okay, and so that's it. Like the market has like the market ends. Like intraday, it's huge. Like intraday, I think it might be going above 1000 CR, or you can daily check the turnover. You can understand from there, like NSE turnover, you can get a clear picture. That is the total days turnover, but still you get a clear picture that how much it can be in terms of money. And you can scalp or make spreads possible. Possibility, yeah, possibilities are endless. See, what we are trying here is trying to capture the big institutional positions. Okay, so once you know that put writing happened here, so you can go with like let's say you are a put writer or something, so you can make ratios in put writing and so on. So once you know what the big guys are doing and market is following, market has started reversing or market is following, the charts have started following them, so you can also enter and ride with them. Like here for example, last day there wasn't much activity, but one major activity happened that we saw here. The last day, Friday, this was the major activity, and you see the big guys, they shorted puts of 100 CR at 11:09 a.m. and then after that, like straight away market reversed. Okay, so that is how the thing is. Like it helps you to uh, to give you a clear picture of what the big institutions are doing. Okay. Okay then, so if you don't have any queries or questions, I'll stop it here. And again, if you want the indicator, so you just have to go to my profile and just like go to my website and just subscribe for whatever plan suits you best. And yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. So see you tomorrow again. But for those who want to do option selling using iron condor or straddle, yes, so you can do option selling. Like as I told you, like once you know the put writers are present here, you can do option selling, right? You can now formulate strategies. Like if you want to write puts, you know how there are several ways to write puts. Like you can directly nakedly write puts, you can do ratios, you can buy one lot and then go down and sell two lots or three lots, or you can do whatever, like bullish strategies are there, so you can take it. So again, if you are a scalper, you can just simply buy calls and just scalp some points and get out. So like this, like there is again no recommendation, but that's how, like once the big institutions, you know what they are doing, so you can ride with them. Now how to ride that, like you have to know that are you a buyer, are you a seller, and accordingly that you can ride it. Okay. Okay then, so I'll end it here.